In this video, I'm going to show you how to bold text on WhatsApp. So if you're using WhatsApp and you want to lay emphasis on a particular text, you can easily interlace the text or bolding the text. So for the sake of this video, you'll learn how you can easily use the WhatsApp bold trick to bold text on your WhatsApp account while chatting. So if at the end of this video you found this helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to bold text on WhatsApp, all you need to do is open the WhatsApp application and open the chat where you want to leave the message. Then write the message normally. So I can just write WhatsApp text, and here before the text choose asterisk, and after the text select asterisk, then hit the send button. Then you should see the message bolded on your WhatsApp. So irrespective of message that falls between these asterisks, just like this, no matter the total number, then the message will be bolded. You see that? Just make sure that the asterisk is just before the text and there is no gap between the text and the asterisk. You see that? Then you're gonna see whether it is bolded here or not. Then saved. Then you can see the text are bolded. So this is how to bold text on WhatsApp. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.